Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cameron here with Kinley Accounting, and this is the start of our Optimize series. Okay, we're going to go over 4 points, not all in the same video. We're going to spread it out because we want to help you to optimize what you already have going on in your accounting. Please check out our other series where we give so many tax tips and value for free. But let's jump into this one. This is one of my favorites. A lot of people always ask me all these different questions about what should I be? What should my business entity be? And that is such a loaded question because it's so many different answers and it's all dependent upon you, what you have going on, and where you're trying to end up. So a lot of people are just by default sole proprietors. That's me as Cameron Williams. If I get paid a 1099 from somebody, that's how the IRS views me. Of course, you have LLCs, which everybody knows what those are. The hot topic right now is, oh, you should be a S Corp. Maybe, maybe not. You have some people who need to be a partnership. Those have very specific rules. And then, of course, there are C Corps, which, you know, that's your big companies, your Coca-Colas, and those guys. So which one is the best for you? Guess where the answer lies. I'll wait. You figured it out? It depends on the situation. Why do I say that? Because we've talked about previously how not having books and accounting in place affects everything. It affects your taxes. It affects how much money you save, how much you can pay, your retirement. That's the foundation to even determine how do you need to structure. What entity do you need to become? For example, you can't be an S Corp if you're not making money. Because why? You have to pay yourself a salary as an S Corp. Okay, if you're a partnership, for example, hey, you don't pay yourself a salary. There are guaranteed payments or there are distributions. So you can't even get to what should we be doing and what's the best situation for us tax-wise without having the foundation in place, which is what? Not having any books, which typically lead to you not having an accountant. It is so important to partner with somebody who knows what they're doing, who can walk beside you, who can guide you so that you're making the best choice. Of course, we would love to help you with that, but I'm more concerned about you doing it correctly so that way you don't get audited and you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't know I needed to have all this stuff documented, or I didn't know I couldn't do that. So now they're going to hit you with a big old payroll tax bill. Crazy. I know. I've seen it. I've heard it. Right? But anyway, that's part 1 of this series. For more information, please check us out at KinleyAccounting.com. For all the other videos in this series, please go to our YouTube channel at Cameron Williams. And lastly, if you're saying, hey, I already know just off what you just said, probably not starting this off correctly. We have a marketing agency diagnostic review where we will go in, review your books, review your accounting for you. We'll give you the feedback. We'll tell you what's going on, what's wrong. And also, we'll give you some money off of your business tax return. And if you need a cleanup, we'll give you some money off that as well. We're so excited to help you guys. We're always here to help you. Thank you for your time. And that was part 1 of Optimize.
So quickly now, your faith so fragile. It's like the seed that fell in the thorns and weeds. When worry comes, it chokes it, you can't be free. Your faith so fragile. It's like seed planted on rocky ground. When trouble comes, it falls away so quickly now.